What's up, guys? It's Cody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Pro Tools session template. So first thing you're going to want to do, create a new session, and let's just call it the setup. All right, so cool, create, boom. There is our blank Pro Tools session. Now let's just go ahead and set up some tracks, and well, I'll just do a condensed version just for this purpose, but let's make 3 mono audio tracks. Let's make a stereo master track, and we'll make 1 stereo aux track. All right, so there's a couple tracks. I recommend naming all your tracks, color coordinating all your tracks, setting all your inputs, getting all your routing right, putting any kind of plugins that you would have on there right when you load up a session, so that when you get a new client in the studio, you can just load up this template and you are good to go. So let's just do that first. Here's our 3 tracks. Let's go ahead and just name them. We'll just say verse 1, verse 2, verse 3, the master, of course, and then we'll just say reverb for this aux track we made. So you're going to want to set up your routing appropriately. So I have my microphone on input 1. So I'm going to make all these tracks input 1. And then I'm also going to set up a bus for that delay track, that reverb track that we did. So here's our bus. Make sure to option click that fader to get it up to 0. And then set that input for that aux the same as you set your bus. So 3 and 4 is what we chose. Boom, boom. There we go. Let's set up a couple basic plugins. Let's say we want to throw a compressor on there. Cool. Do whatever preset you want. Throw an EQ on there or something. Boom, boom. There's an EQ. Let's just throw a preset on there. Okay. Boom. So now you got that stuff set up. You throw your little reverb onto your track. All right, so let's say this is all set up just how you want every time you go to open a session with a new client. There it is. Now let's save it as a Pro Tools session template. So you're going to want to go up to File, and you're going to want to go to Save as Template. So we click that, and here you can put it in the 2 default categories that Pro Tools gives you, which is getting started and post-production, or you can create your own category. Here you would hit add category, and I've made this category Cody's templates. Okay, so that's where we're going to save it. The name of this session is the setup, like I said, and then you go ahead, you hit OK. Cool. Now let's just close this session, and then let's act like we're about to go make a new session. Here we go. Now, when you do this, and to make a session from your template, you're going to want to click this button here, Create from Template. And here I have a couple. Here's the setup. Here's the one that we just made. So let's just say we're going to call this the song. And we're going to create this session from this template. So we got that selected. We hit Create. And boom. There's our session and our tracks set up, ready to go with our plugins and our routing, our buses. And so obviously you're going to want to do this on a bigger scale, create all the tracks that you're going to want, set all your plugins and all your settings appropriately, get all your routing right, color coordinate your tracks. To color coordinate your tracks, you just double click on the bottom of the tracks where it's colored, and you can change the color of that track. So super cool, great way to be organized. When you're mixing, so much easier to find things and route things and just work on your whole project as a whole. So that's how you make a Pro Tools session template, guys. Thanks. For more stuff like this, stick around with Cody Made That.